Ready na for the universe si Miss Universe Philippines Atisa Manalo. Hirit naman niya sa mga kritiko, be kind. Narito pong report. From Quezon Province to the universe. Kakapanalo pa lang ng corona ni Miss Universe Philippines Atisa Manalo. Pero kung bukas daw gagawin ang Miss Universe, handang-handa na ang ating pambato. Paano ba naman? Third times na charm na mula nang subukan sungkitin ni Atisa ang titulo ng Miss UPH para lumaban sa global stage. And this time around, ito raw ang ginawa niya, kaya tingin niya ay naipanalo na niya.
I made sure I was less in my head. Because the thing with me is, sometimes I try to aim for perfection. It doesn't exist, you know? Yeah. But I still try, and sometimes I get too in my head. I overthink things. This year, I made sure that I'm just in the moment.
Trending si Atisa sa kanyang question and answer portion, kung saan tinanong siya kung kailan siya naging isang leader sa pamamagitan ng halimbawa. Binalik niya ito sa kanyang viral falling moment on stage. Mixed reactions man ng pageant fans sa kanyang sagot. Hindi naman apektado rito si Atisa, pero hirit niya sa mga may unsolicited comments.
It's nothing new, and I just hope that when people give these pieces of advice, that they remember to be kind.
Bukod kay Anne Jacques Rajutatip na owner ng Miss U, looking forward din si Atisa na makilala na ang controversial Thai president ng Miss Grand International na si Nawat Itzaragrisil na bago namang executive director ngayon ng Miss Universe. Kaya pinaghahandaan niya na raw talaga ang Thailand.
I really want to be fit because I don't want to be sick in Thailand before fighting.
Thailand to girl, di ba? Alam mo na, mga powerhouse
Exactly. Dapat I'm in my best form, best shape. I'm really excited also to meet everyone that is part of the Miss Universe organization.
No downtime na for Atisa dahil sabak na siya sa media rounds this week at abangan ang pagbisita ni Atisa ngayong linggo dito sa 1PH.